Stop by and take a look at the 2018 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.